Man, what happened to Gekko? He's late for training. Oh, what in the world was that? Sorry, man. It was me. Oh, why are you coughing in my face? Well, I got a bad cough. I got a bad cough. Oh my, I can hear it. Well, you're pretty late for training. Are you okay? Do you want to just like skip it for today? No. I can. Oh, gosh, man. Don't worry, I can still do it. Ha. Oh man, I fell over. I think we should just skip training for today. Don't worry, I'll just try my Super Gekko muscles and Super Gekko muscles. Dude, are you okay? What is wrong with you? Ah! Oh man, your cough is strong. I think because you put Super Gekko muscles in it. Yeah, I think you're right. I'll just turn off my Super Gekko Oh no, not again. Super cat speed. Oh, Catboy, where'd you go? Oh.
Ow!
Sorry. Oh, geez, Owlet, are you okay?
No. Please watch where you're going. Why are you running so fast?
Dude, it's Gekko. He has like Super Gekko muscle coughs or something.
Now that makes no sense at all.
I know. It sounds really weird, but like he was using Super Gekko muscles and he was coughing too. So he like blew me away. So I had to run over here, but then, you know, I obviously bumped into you.
I really don't believe you.
Oh, there you are, Catboy. I found you. Oh no, not good. Owlet, run, come on.
Stop being crazy, Catboy. There is no way Gekko's coughs are...
Oh no, Owlet, I told you to run.
Alright, I really do believe you.
It's gonna be alright, Owlet. Here, I'll help you up.
Thank you. Is there any way to stop him?
Yeah, only one way. You know, like with our powers, like when I say Super Cat Speed, it doesn't stop until I say it again. So we need to get him to say Super Gekko muscles one more time. Ugh, hey guys. Oh, Gekko, you're here. Wait, before you cough or do anything else, just try and control the urge, okay? Say Super Gekko muscles. Why would I say Super Gekko muscles? Wait.
Ew!
Did you see that, Owlet?
Yes?
It worked. He didn't, well, he coughed in your face, obviously, but he didn't blow you guys away. I mean, blow us away.
Wow, that is hooray and ill.
Yeah, you saved the day. I'm sorry for coughing in your face, guys. What I suggest you do is go get some water. Good idea. I'll be right back. I feel much better now. PJ Masks, I'll shout hooray, because in the night, we saved the day. Or, it's not really nighttime, actually. I guess we just saved the day. Well, see you next time. Bye!